In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert or type arrows into your Word document. If you need forward arrow, backward arrow, up or down arrows, it's pretty simple. You can add them in your Word document. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I have here this Word document and I wish to add an arrow here. To do this is quite simple. Just go to your Word document and click on Insert, and under Insert head over to this option called Simple. If you click on this, you should see a number of symbols available. If you can't see the specific signage or symbol that you wish, go ahead and click on More Symbols here, and this will open up more symbols or all symbols that are available on Word document. From this, you can scroll down and up until you find the specific symbol that you wish. For my case, I need arrows, so I'll just click down until I get to arrows. And here you can see we have various types of arrows: backward, upward, forward, downward, as well as double-sided arrows. You can also see we have sideways arrows available here. Go ahead and choose the specific type of arrows you wish to insert. I'll wish to insert the forward arrow. Click on it and then click on Insert like that, and by doing so it will be inserted here. Then go ahead and close. Should you find it hard to find your symbol, just go ahead and use this option here and scroll down until you see the specific item that you wish. If you wish arrows, go ahead and click on arrows, and this will take you to arrows. So that's how you can insert arrows into your Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.